Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day. It's Wednesday, July 12th. We got no economic news releases scheduled for today, but we do got the Fed Beige book scheduled for about 11 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So prepare for a little volatility depending on what is actually in the book that comes out here. But in the meantime, stock market's actually up. Today is pretty much all about the Fed's Yellen testimony before Congress. So some of the comments she's made so far today is that it seems like she basically said this came out as a dovish comment that it sounds like they're going to start concentrating more on the balance sheet reduction than the interest rates. So she did say interest rates only need maybe a few more hikes over the next couple of years. So maybe they might put that on the shelf depending on where inflation is and then where economy is the second half, because there's thought that it would be 3 rate hikes, which we've already had 2 this year. So, but they figured in the fall they would start doing the reduction on the balance sheet. So that's coming up as a kind of more of a dovish comment. But the stock markets like it, and as you'll see here in a bit, the bond market liked it as well. So here we can see we have the 200-day moving average, so we're just above that, and we got the 10-day moving average. So we start off where we left off yesterday and just blew up right past it. We're up about 25 basis points, which translates to better pricing. So it looks like we even were higher, but we're kind of headed off by the next level of resistance up here, second level of resistance. But if we can stay above this 10-day moving average, this could help us out here and maybe get us in either sideways pattern or maybe a further boost again to try to get up and above this 200-day moving average here. Now, yesterday, if you don't recall, we had about 22 basis points in a bond rollover. So what that meant was when the market closed, which we were up about we closed up 9 basis points. It goes down about, it went down in this case 22 basis points. So what that means is the pricing reset, but it doesn't affect the pricing, if that makes sense for you folks. So basically it's resetting. It went down 22 basis points, but it's basically 0. So it's not going to change interest rates. It's not going to affect the interest rates in that. So we're kind of starting over at that point, going on to the next month. So we have these about once a month. That goes on. This is why we have like 30-day locks in our mortgage-backed securities, or when you're locking in your rates. This is how they're kind of priced based on these type of things here. So that pretty much concludes it for the day. But if you guys want to get more updates, just come on over to Twitter. You can find me at Twitter at Mike Bjork. I do post throughout the day here. And also, if you guys are looking for a mortgage, looking to refinance, we're helping out quite a few different clients in that avenue, from people who, I still see people with higher rates. So we're helping them get into the lower rates. They were having problems in the past with lack of equity, especially in the jumbos. We also got people who want to get out of adjustables going to a fixed rate. So we're helping those people out, and people who are taking money out of their properties, either to add on to their current houses because they just aren't finding anything out there in the market. So they're just going to stay where they are and grow, make it bigger. Also, investors are taking money out so they can buy other properties. And then we're helping out, doing pre-approvals for a lot of clients as well, helping them purchase their next properties here, either helping out with investors to people who are buying their first homes and stuff. So we got a lot of those type of people out there as well. So if you're interested, just feel free to reach out and send me an email. That's the best way to reach me, and I'll help you out. All right, folks, I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and I will look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow.